Hello everyone, it's Michelle Lemon as a Lovely Sisters. Today guys, I'm going to do a short videos only kasi I'm gonna put this videos to my trailer, to my upcoming unboxing premiere video, to my channel. So, we're gonna have a games to my upcoming premiere unboxing videos. If you can see, I have a two boxes here. So, our games is you need to guess who is the person that sent me a present. I'm guessing that it's a Mother's Day present for me. And this is the boxes. Who is the person sent me this? Who is the person? Who is the sponsor? Who is a friend that sent me this boxes? And second question is what inside these two boxes? So we have two games at two questions. The first question is mananalo siya ng kung sino ang nahulaan nyo. If you're gonna guess who is the person that sent me this, mananalo siya ng 500 pesos. At kung mahulaan nyo what inside this box, mananalo siya ng another 500 pesos. The total of 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos. And doon kayo magko-comment sa to my upcoming premiere unboxing premiere video. Kailangan mag-comment lang po kayo isang beses lang. So, kailangan kung naka-comment na kayo, hindi na kayo pwede mag-comment ulit. And kailangan kung nahulaan nyo kung sino siya, at kung nahulaan nyo pa kung anong laman, nananalo kayo ng 1,000 pesos. Pero kung nahulaan nyo lang po yung isa sa mga questions ko, one of my questions, mananalo kayo ng 500 pesos. Kung meron kayong kasama na pareho kayong sinagot, iraraffle ko po kung sino ang mananalo. Abangan nyo rin po ang aking live streaming kasi doon ko po kung sino ang mananalo. And abangan nyo pa baka may karagdagang installation prize. So, guys, thank you so much. Ayan, guess who and what's inside the box. Who is the person that sent me this present? And I know what's inside the box. Okay? So, there you go, guys. Please keep watching my cookie videos and some videos, and of course, the upcoming unboxing videos. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye!